Welcome to this part of our video. Today our subject is 2 anna coins of George V period. 2 anna coins were circulated from 9011 to 9036 during the regime of George V, the King Emperor. Two anna coin, the language is here. At the is a square coin with round edges, round corners. The language here, Do Anna in Urdu, Do Anna in Hindi or Devanagari, Do Anna in Bengali, and Do Anna in Telugu, and in the middle 2 anna in English. It is a copper nickel coin, 75% copper and 25% nickel. The weight is 4 gram. Now see, the over side of the coin is here. 1918, divided into 2 different parts. On one side 19 and other side 18. At the top of the corner is flower, or we may call it lotus, and on the lower corner is India in English. In the middle is portrait of George V, King Emperor, wearing overcoat and crown on the head. It is in the middle circle. You see the edges, smooth edge. Now is the coin 1926 here. The same coin in lotus on the top, 19 on left corner and 26 on right corner, and India in the below. Now where to see the mint mark? Here in this, the mint mark, you can find it below the Telugu language. It is plain mint, that is Kolkata mint. These were minted in Bombay and Calcutta. This 1918 coin values from 500 to 1500 rupees, and then it is 1919, 250 to 1000 rupees. Now it is 1924, 1926. It was minted in Bombay and Calcutta. In Calcutta Mint, 80 lakh coins were minted, a huge quantity. And in Bombay Mint, these were a small quantity of 30 lakh coins only. So the Bombay Mint coin is a scarce coin, values from 300 to 2000 rupees, subject to the condition of the coin. And Kolkata Mint coin is a common coin. It is value from 200 to 1000 rupees. Now it is 1935. Let us first talk about the 1934 coin. It is a rare coin. 1934. It is not in my collection. 1934 coin is a rare coin. Its value is 5,000 to 10,000 rupees in UNC condition. Now at 1935, the condition of this coin is very fine. You see the lotus on the top of the coin, and as in other coins, 19 on one corner and 35 on the other corner, and India on the lower corner. Now let us see its mint mark here. Below the Telugu is a dot, small dot, is a Bombay Mint coin. Now I have 1936. $1936 coin is a common coin. Its value is starts from rupees 200 to 1000, subject to the condition of the coin in fine condition, very fine condition, to UNC. UNC coin values rupees 1000. Thank you.